Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. You can also enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off to look like you're home even if you're away. Most connected. Caseta connects with more leading smart home devices, including Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades and Sonos, than any other smart lighting control brand. Control your way. Caseta puts the smarts in the switch so you can control a variety of ways, via the free Lutron app, your voice or from the wall. Create personalized schedules to change lights at set times or activate scenes with the touch of a button. Reliably smart. The smart bridge doesn't use Wi-Fi, so you get super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works right, without slowing your Wi-Fi down with more devices. Set it and forget it. Always keep your smart light functionality. Even when the Wi-Fi goes down, there's no need to reset your schedules and scenes or reconnect everything when it comes back online. Get more, spend less. One Caseta smart switch can control many bulbs at once. Make many bulbs smart, even your existing bulbs. Get smart control of multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent and halogen bulbs. Smart control of plug-in lamps. Simply plugs into a standard outlet and can be used with up to 2 floor or table lamps. Easy 3-way setup. Create a 3-way by mounting Pico to almost any wall surface, no cutting holes or pulling wire, with a wall mount bracket. Replace existing 3-way switches by mounting the bracket and Pico over the backbox. Technical details. Works with up to 100 watt of dimmable LED light bulbs, CFL light bulbs or 300 watt incandescent halogen bulbs. Not rated for low voltage applications. Top reviews from the United States. Great products and support. Great product. I used the support line for assistance setting up the bridge, but I had 4 lamps and the bridge up and running in about 30 minutes. Support was prompt and very helpful walking me through the install. I can now ask Siri to turn off bedroom lights and have our living room set up on a timer based on sunset and sunrise. Very smart.